second year anniversary inaugural season. Para ano po ito? Ang pagbabalik, resurrection po tayo yun ng PSBQ Basketball League, new blood, new game, new battles po tayo yun. And first game for tonight is Gianna's Gourmet versus Ayesha. Gianna's clad in black and green combination po siya. At ang Ayesha naman po is orange and white combination. Ako po yung host with you, Arvin G. Vlog si Ju. And I'll-deliver a blow by blow po sa ating larong pong ito. And thank you pala po sa SBB Pilipinas, full of referees po, for maintaining this game in a neat and orderly fashion. Maraming salamat po. And first game for tonight now between Ayesha and Gianna's Gourmet. Same pa rin po tayo dyan. Maraming salamat po. Good morning po tayo dyan. Look at the crowd right now. Ito po tayo. Pero dito, ang mas maraming nanonood po. Ito na. First ball now ng Ayesha. Ayesha, number 77. Bakala pumasok out of bounds. Same ball daw, sabi nila. Same ball. It's Bakala. Bakala is in. Number 13. Sikat. Ay, sikat to.
Ano kaya yun, no?
RD1 inside. 3 points, RD1. RD1, 3 points. Bakit Bakit kaya? Doon siya si Madam Kat, ma'am. Sir. Bakala, side zigzagging. Naipit. And same ball. Foul number Aaron. Foul number 77. Bakala. Bolo po ng Gianna's Gourmet. Gianna's Gourmet po tayo. Gianna's Gourmet po tayo. Ito na po tayo. Ito na. Hands. Aaron De La Cruz. Sa ilalim. Foul called. Kay Peewee. Na-foul si Peewee. Peewee shooting for 2. Peewee po shooting for 2 si Peewee. Nope, ayaw nila. Not continuous. Okay, Peewee. RD1, nagmamadali. Palpal. Bakala. Binababa ni Bakala ang bola. Bakala. Nice one by De Leon. 2 points De Leon. Baba tayo. Yan, sabi nila. Lutera. Loromia. Na-intercepted. Same ball. Hans Cañedo. Loremia. Floater shot. Pasok ang bola. 5-2 score po natin. First quarter action. 5-2 pa lang po. 5-2. At 8 minutes 9 remaining. Pops up. No good. Hans Cañedo. Nagmamadali. Hans driving the ball. Intercepted by Bakala. Bakala yun. Malakas. Foul. Down. RD1 to foul. Sumapit ka. Timeout, Gianna's Gourmet. The score is 5-2 at 7 minutes 49 remaining sa ating first quarter action. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat po. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game muli po tayo. Back to the ball game tayo. Bakala for the inbound. Bakala. Nako sa ilalim. Naipit. Nilabas mo na. And now, sino to? Bakala game for 3. Malakas. Nako ang bola. Intercepted. Hans Cañedo. Pasok ang bola. De Leon struggling. No foul. Loremia. Aaron. Wala pinasa si Aaron. Leon. Binitbit. Wala. RD1. 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 Loremia. Loremia pops up. Bang! 2 points Loremia. Bakala. Ang lakas ng pass ni Bakala. Hindi pa nag-aamoy yata ang Ayesian Friends. Pero tingnan natin, baka mag-adjust pa rin po yan. Loremia, binababa ang bola from Hans Canedo. Loremia. Loremia. Ayun sa ilalim. Na-intercepted. De Leon. Carlos. Tungtong. No good. Nice one by De Leon. De Leon 2 points. The score is 9-4. Laman po ng ayan. Laman po ang challenge kamay ng 5. Loremia. Hans Canedo for 3. Ayaw niya. Loremia again. RD1. RD1. Binabantayan. RD1. Pinasa. Pinasok. Tapos ang bola. Walang foul. 2 points Piwi. Bakala. Bakala. Pinasa. Talpak. No good. Ayun. Pasok ang bola. 2 points. That's Ancheta. Ancheta. Loremia. Loremia. Driving. Popping. Wala. De Leon naka-rebound. Now, ito na. Bakala. Bakala sliding. Stripped away. RD1. RD1. Slicing. Dishing of the pass. 2 points and 1 play pass. De Leon called for a foul. Continuity given. Peewee shooting for the bonus free throw. Peewee pops up, no good. Rebound, De Leon. Low battery, bakit? Saksakan. Oh, pakilang. Hindi. Panag-lose yata. Saksak lang. Okay. Thank you. Okay, balik tayo. No good. Second shot, Peewee. Second throw ni Peewee. Peewee, second free throw coming up. Wag ka muna maglolobat, pare. Pasok. Bakala. Bakala. Ayun! Tapos! Pantal! Bakala. Nakalusot. Bakala. Foul committed. Who's foul rep? RD1 again, call for the foul. Okay. Change pair na po tayo ngayon, mga boss, mga madam. Barangay rules po kasi tayo. Now, ang second lineup naman, si Maninang, si Giga, si Pamintuan, si Manuel, at si Campo. Kabila naman, ayan, si Bas Velasco, dumating na rin. Si Winax, Pajardo, Pesarillo, at si number 6. Nangyari. First of all. Teka lang, mukhang ano yata, mayroong ano. May konting ano yata, ano lang, pinagmimitingan sila. Ano nangyari? Konting ano yata. May pinag... Okay, game. There's a decision. Okay, Dillon first personal foul, Bacala second personal foul. Inayos lang nila. Inayos lang yata nila yung calling na muna. Thank you. Okay, ito na. Pamintuan, inbounding. Maninang. Papsa, pamintuan. Wala. Maninang! Pasok ang bola! 2 points, Maninang. Winak! Malakas! Acuña, no good. Balik sa puti ang bola. Acuña pala, kala ko Winak. Mali. Malabo na mata ko eh. Nangyari? Delete game? Okay. Okay, balik sa bola. Giga. Pamintuan. Higaw kasi, higaw. Pamintuan, pamintuan. Ayun! Intercepted nga lang. Velasco. Ayun, intercepted ni Pamintuan. Pesarillo, pops up, 2 points, Pesarillo. Pamintuan, Maninang, wala. Pamintuan, Pamintuan, Manuel, Manuel, pops up, no good. Oh, foul. Maninang called for the foul. The score is 15-8 at 3 minutes 36 seconds remaining. First quarter action. Velasco. Pops up. No good. Good ball, good ball, good ball. Manuel. Pamintuan. Pamintuan. Foul! Blocking foul called. Pajardo for sure called for the foul. Blocking foul po yan. Yes, it's confirmed. Pajardo called for the foul. First personal foul ni Pajardo. The score is 15-8. Still, Team Giannis Gimay enjoying a 7-point lead. Giga, and it's a foul again called. Pajardo called a call again. Pajardo called for the foul. Giga inbounding, the Giga man, or the Giga attack. Fourth team foul. One for penalty po ang Giannis Gourmet. Giga for the inbound. Okay, si Manuel. Manuel. And, ayun! May foul pa! Jersey number 6 called for the foul. Number 11. Number 11 called for the foul. Maninang shooting for 2. Giannis Gimay now penalty situation. Maninang first shot. Meron. Sabi ni Manina, meron naman daw. Sabi ni Manina. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Second shot, jumpers ready, pops up. Wala nga. Manuel, power move. Wala, malakas. Rebound battle, won by Palpal. Ayun na. The block party is in. Pesarillo. Acuña, no good. Nando naman si Pesarillo. Pesarillo. Number 11. Velasco, pops up. No good. Rebound battle. And it's a head ball situation. Giannis ball po. Bola po ng Giannis Gourmet. Bola po ng Giannis Gourmet. Eto na po tayo Pesarillo. Number 11. Pops up. Wala. Malakas. Rebound ni Velasco. Fade away shot. Wala pa rin. Number 1. Naka-rebound. Swiped away by Pajardo. Acuña. Pajardo. Pajardo. Binatok. Kay Paserillo, pops up, long shot, no good. Rebound yung Manuel, binababa mo lo. Manuel, wala pinasa si Manuel. Balik muli po tayo sa Janas Gourmet Tuyo ang bola. Janas Gourmet Masters, enjoy the game. 59 score po natin yun, 59. Pops up, no good. Rebound. No good. Wala pa rin. Velasco. Number 11, bothered by Campo. Number 4, Campo, bothered the ball. Last touch po ni Campo. Mainit po rito. Grabe. Traveling violation, sabi ni referee Hans. Sabi ni Hans, traveling with a passport is a serious offense. Okay na, Giga against Fajardo. Mr. Giga to pamintuan. Anak ng katol. Good ball. No good. Ito papalitan natin ito.
There's number 11, Rodriguez.
Naglulok siya yung ano. Naglulok yata.
Remaining time 32 seconds
Saksak mo nga.
for the first quarter.
Yung isa. Patulo.
First quarter. Second throw,
Thank you.
32 seconds. Final ball.
Okay, Pardo. Pamintuan. Velasco, wala. Again. Pamintuan. Says, hey, Pepe muna. Isa na tayo. Sabi nga. First quarter pa lang yan. Nagmamadaling kagad tayo. Pamintuan. Against Fajardo. Maninang. Walang pinasahan. Foul Campo. Jersey number 4, Jude Campo, call for the foul. First personal foul pa lang yan. Penalty situation na, both teams are in penalty already. Ba't ganito to? Ba't ganun? Ba't tulok yung saksan, maluwag niya natin saksahan dito?
Second throw by Paserillo. Pass. And then the first quarter.
Bakala. in 12. Out of bounds. Siyempre.
Then the shoe.
Sige. Puta nung masaksakan dito, kalso. Puta kayo sino.
Pinagawa ba ito rin? Pumanawa.
Breno mo muna ako. Butak din. Baka man sa magkakaman sa ibang power supply. Ito ka rito.
Lorena. Baka natin ito. Pasa niya. There is a foul. Always number 15. Panawa. First personal ball, first team ball. 2 free throw. They are getting on. Personal two. Second throw to Leon.
Wala na power supply.
Wala pa rin. Mga part-time Leon.
Power supply.
De La Cruz. And the day by De La Cruz. Oh, there's another day.
May ilaw ba? Yung may ilaw?
Go, go, go,
Meron?
go.
Yan. Steady na yun. Meron? Silbing saksakan na puta. Okay, balik tayo. Pasensya na, medyo natakas tayo na.
De La Cruz.
De La Cruz, pops up, Johnny, no good. Rebound. Bakala. To De Leon, De Leon. Ayun, number 6, palpal. De Leon, naku, malakas. Lorena, binababa. Nice interception by Bakala. Ayun, De Leon, 2 points De Leon. De Leon, 2 points. The score right is 20-18. Lamang na po ng dalawa ang team Janas, Peewee, malakas. Lorena to Peewee. Traveling ni Peewee. Peewee called for the travel. ISM Friends called for timeout. The score is 20-18. Thank you, sir. Salamat ha. Next time po. Next week. Simula na to. ISM Friends called for a timeout at 7 minutes 41 remaining sa ating first quarter action. Ito po ang The Resurgence. The Resurrection of PSBQ Basketball League. Back to the ball game. Okay, ito na. Bakala. Binasa kay Rivera. To Bakala game. Bakala pinabama bola. Bakala. Pops up. No good. Rebound kay De La Cruz. And one play pa binigay. De La Cruz, 2 points plus bonus free throw coming up. Good morning po sa po dyan. Bakala, third personal foul na po siya. De La Cruz, bonus free throw coming up. And it's pasok. Basket made para kay Bakala. Para kay Aaron De La Cruz rather.
First number 1, RD1.
RD1 called for a foul. 24 for the inbound. Bakala, bothered by RD1. Nice touch pass. What a play, maganda sana. Lorey may naka-rebound. Banawag. And one play pa si Peewee. And one play pa kay Peewee. 2 points Peewee. Plus bonus free throw coming para kay Mr. Peewee. Ha! Peewee pops up. It's in. 26-18 again ang score po natin yun. Bakala, binababa na naman ang bola. Ayesha, training steal by 8 points. Again, fathered. Foul called. Carlos called for the foul for sure. 24 Carlos. 13 ball po ng Ayesha and friends. Dito po yan, sabi ng referee. Peewee for the inbound. Loremia kagad, binababa ang bola. Big guard position ginagawa ni Loremia. Loremia, grabbing. Ayun, kay Jay. Guardian, malakas. Johnny nando sa loob, Johnny. What a play, what a made by play by Johnny Banawag. Baka against RD1. Manage defense, foul again.
Ball is number 1, RD1. Running for graduate, RD1.
RD1 4 personal fouls, warning for graduate. Ang aga.
30 foul, Janas.
Janas Gourmet, 13 foul already. RD1, warning for graduate. Galion, wala. Loremia. Loremia, De La Cruz. And it's J-Ball. J-Ball, J-Ball. Janis Ball po tayo, Janis Ball. RD1. RD1. Ayun. Loremia, kinuluwa. Peewee naman, pasok kay Peewee yung bola. Pasok ang bola kay Peewee. Takala. Tapos. Dalawa. RD1. Malakas. Banawag for the rebound. De La Cruz, malakas. Back. De La Cruz, 2 points, De La Cruz. De La Cruz, 2 points. Bakala. Bakala! Walang foul. Banawag! Bounce, Banawag. Change player po tayo mga boss. 32-8 na score po natin yun. 32-8 na score po natin yun. Giga for the inbound. Giga for the inbound. Winax. Winax. Napadaan. Giga naka-rebound. Giga for the inbound na Pamintuan again. Pinabal na ang bola. Pamintuan. Pamintuan again. Pops number 3. No good. White ball. White ball. Fresh 14 seconds shot clock given. Pamintuan. Number 4. Maninang. 2 points Maninang. Sa wakas ang ano. At last ang Malinang nakapasok agad. Pardo. Peserillo. Doblesa. Pardo. Pardo. Velasco. No good. Rebound by Maninang. Maninang. Pamintuan. Giga. Lost the ball. Velasco. Hans Cañedo. Number 11, 2 points. Number 11, 2 points. Pops up. Oy! Pushing foul.
Number 25,
Maninang called for the push. Again, banat puni-puno si Janas Gomez ang bola. Number 11, Pajardo. Scoop pass kay Hans Cañedo. Ayun, ay, sky play, wala nga lang. Pamintuan again, Maninang. Maninang, pamintuan. Pamintuan. Oy! Foul called. Nice shot. Who's foul rep?
Jersey number 21, Fajardo.
Jersey number 21, Fajardo called for a foul. Pamintuan shooting for 2. No good. First shot, no good. Second shot, jumpers ready.
Second throw, Pamintuan.
Pamintuan naman, palpal! Again, second block already made by Mr. Velasco. Foul! Foul called on number 4, Campo. 30-20 as a 14-point lead being enjoyed by Janas Gourmet. And also, sino ba to? Fajardo shooting for 2. Fajardo shooting for 2. First shot. Buwala. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Meron na. Meron. And it's Pamintuan. Ay, this guy, yun! What a rebound by Mr. Velasco. Velasco. Number 11. 11! Wala. Pamintuan. Maninang! Wala ba rin? Counted. Goaltending violation po. Nagalaw kasi yung board. Basket count po yun. It's a goaltending violation called already. 2 points, Maninang. 35-22. Lamang pa rin po ng 13 ang team JG. Or Janas Gomez. Available po yung 2 play po yan. 1 team spicy and traveling violation. Janas Gomez to yun pa. Available 2 players po yan. 1 team spicy and team original. Mamili po kayo. Janas Gomez to yun. ISM friends po tayo. ISM friends. Eto na po si Pamintuan, binaba ang bola. Campo, pops up, no good. Rebound din naman. Mali, pinasahan. Giga, palpal! Block partisan. Hari ng Tapal Bulkasil. Tapal King. Tapal Bulkasil. Giga, no good. Rebound din. Hop! Wow! Teka lang, meeting muna mga referee. Mag-meeting kayo, referee. Mag-referee, meeting muna kayo. Meeting, referee. Okay. Referee says, same ball. Janas Gomez now again guarding again. Giga inbounding. Pinasa kay Pamintuan. Pops up si Giga. Giga no good. Eto na si Pasarillo. Number 11. 2 points number 11. Para na ground robin lang. And it's a timeout called by Ayesha again. Team JB still in the lead at third at 15 points. Team JG po tayo. Approaching now the 1 minute mark ng ating second quarter action. Good morning po sa inyo dyan. Good morning kids, good morning class. Mga dumago po sa inyo po lahat po. Ito po sa aming G-Vlog si Ju. A minute and 43 remaining. 37-22 po na tayo. Pwede mag-comment, mga kaibigan ko. Huwag kayo mahiya. Pops up, pamintuan, no good. Rebound. By Hans Caniedo. Hans, nagmamadali. Ayun, 21, malakas. Hop! Foul called. Foul ni Hans Caniedo. Number 8. Hans Caniedo called for a foul. Penalty situation. Jonas Gourmet. JG penalty already. 2 shots given para kanino? Para kay Mr. Manuel number 1.
First goal by Manuel.
Manuel number 1 given. Pops up. Wala. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Manuel number 1.
Second throw, Manuel.
Pops up. Pasok. Basket made. 14-point lead. Kalamangan na po ng Jonas Gourmet. JG. Fajardo, one hand shot is in. 2 points po kay Fajardo. 1 minute 7 remaining. Pamituan. Manuel. Pinasa. Ayun. Di nakuha. Tama ko by JG. Jonas Gourmet. At 39-20 naman po na 16 ang JG. Ooh, it's getting hot in here. Grabe. It's getting hot in here. Ooh, grabe. Back to the ball game. Ball game. Okay, na Pesarillo na. Fajardo now. And Pesarillo. Nasa backcourt na po ngayon ng JG. Eto na po. Magpapasahin yung dalawa. Hop! Okay. Bawal yung knocking back the ball. Sabi ng referee. Bawal po yun. Bawal daw po yun. Knocking back the ball. Knocking back the ball, bawal daw yun. Punching the ball, bawal yun. Pamintuan again, inbounding. Pamintuan for the inbound. Giga, paagis Fajardo. Nako na yung Velasco bola. Velasco, hands, 11. Palpal, pero pumasok. Number 11, 2 points. Pamintuan again, binaba ang bola, pamintuan. Whoop! Pops up. No good. Pardo. Ayun na. Palpal sana. Palpal nga. Pamintuan. Maninang. Fadeaway shot. Pasok ang bola kay Maninang. Maninang, 2 points. 10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds. No good. And okay, 16-point lead ang laman po ng tropang JG over Team Ayesha. Halftime po tayo. Ito po ang Kahit po tayo, umaga na po tayo dito. Ito po ang mga tao dito na po siya right now. Both sides po yan. Hanggang sa pagputok to yata ng araw, sasamahan nga po tayo dito. Ingat. Ingat boss. Idol, ingat. Siyempre, tapos tayo dito. Okay, back to the ballgame. Muli po tayo at third quarter action. The score is 41-25. Janice Gourmet JG is leading. Okay, naipasok doon po lahat po. Anytime po, sino po, any goes po tayo. JG ball po tayo. Si Peewee ang mag-inbound. Peewee. Peewee, stoler po ng lakay ng batang lakay. Okay, stake din. Nice interception. And number 12, 2 points, number 12. That's Ibarra. Ito ng batang Ibarra. Ang birador ng Ayesha, dumating na rin. Ibarra. Again na, Wina. Acuña. Loremia, pinisip. Taking for 3. Wala. Aaron De La Cruz. Bangala. No good. Nakuha ni Peewee ang bola. Peewee. Libongan si Peewee. Pasok ang bola kay Peewee. Ayan na si Batang Ibarra. Ang birador ng Ayesha. Ibarra. Eto na, number 1. Dukot sa ilalim, pasok ang bola. Manuel, 2 points, 43-29. A 40-point steal enjoyed by JG. Loremia, Piwi, no good. Nice play. Nice defense by Manuel. Bakala, kapos. Loremia, binamit din yung bola. Loremia. Hoy! Aray! Foul. Piwi called for a foul. Bakala inbounding. 43-20 na score po natin. A 14-point lead still being enjoyed by, of course, alam po natin yan, ang JG. Velasco pinasok muna para kay Piwi para magpapahinga. Bakala. Giliyon. Ibarra for 3. No good. Yun na, Pahardo. Loremia pops up. No good. Velasco, wala pa rin. Foul! Acuña called for a foul for sure. Acuña called for a foul. Eto still now. Sa kabila daw, sabi ng referee. Ibarra for the inbound. Ibarra. Ayun na. Delio pops up. No good. Rebound by... What a hoop shot by Manuel. Hoop shot by Manuel. Pasok. Velasco, top. Duko sa ilalim. Pasok. Velasco, duko sa ilalim. Pasok. Number 6, Bakala. Again, Ibarra. Wala pa rin. Wala pa bala si Ibarra. Pahardo. Wala. Nice by Ibarra pamintuan. Manuel. Ibarra, kapos. And wag kayo pabinigay. Hindi Leon. Pagod pa si Ibarra. De La Cruz called for a foul. De Leon shooting for a bonus free throw. Ibarra yet to score, yet si Ibarra, pero pag nag-init yan, parang birador yan. And now, balik ulit po tayo. De Leon. Bonus free throw coming up. Jumpers ready. Wala. Rebound, battle won by Manuel. Palpal nga lang. Pinalpal. Ayan na. Pasok kay Loremia ang bola. Loremia, 2 points. Nice swap by Velasco. Nice stop by Velasco. Ito na nga. 2 points. Acuña, 2 points. Acuña, 2 points. Bardo. Palpal. Foul.
Number 6,
Velasco called for a foul. Substitution muna po tayo. Okay. Cancel substitution. Ayaw daw. O sige. Choosy ayaw. Okay. And De Leon pops up. Wala. Second shot ni De Leon. Second throw. Second throw ni De Leon at 6 minutes 18 remaining third quarter action. Pops up. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Yan ni Aaron. Ayun. 2 points again. Ayes and Prince called for the timeout. 51-33, a slight rally ng Ayesha pero kagad in-stamp kagad ng JG. Sabi ng ng JG, wag ka na magrarally, masisira ang buhay mo. Okay. 51-33, 6 minutes time remaining. Good morning po sa inyo po. Ako sa Abin G Vlog si Ju. And you're watching right now the first game ever of the PSBQ second year season na po tayo ngayon. Natapos na po ang opening ceremonies. Nanalo po ang Alforno News sa kanyang Best News and of course People's Choice Award. Number 1, ayun, wala! Bakala. Malakas sana, pero pumasok. Nice one. That's Ancheta. Loremia. Velasco. Dicho pass. Binomba pa. Pasok ang bola. Aaron De La Cruz. Pinasok pa. Again, Pamintuan. Stripped away the ball. Loremia. Binababa ang ball ni Loremia. De La Cruz again. No good. Rebound by Bakala to Manuel. Pops up. Balangas. Pumasok. And set again. 2 points. Acuña. 2 points Acuña. Turn around shot. Acuña pumasok. Bakala. Ayan na. Pamintuan. Tapos. Pamintuan. 2 shots given para kay Pamintuan. 55-37. An 18-point lead been posted already by JG. And Pamintuan now shooting for 2.
First call by Pamintuan. Semi-throw Pamintuan.
Basket bait by Pamintuan.
Substitution.
Sab muna Pamintuan, labas ko muna. Sabi naman nila 4 minutes 25 remaining. JG Loremia against Manina. Foul! Down. Maninang called for a foul.
Maninang third, personal foul.
Up. Velasco pia. Loremia. RD1 offline. Binato. Ibarra. Malakas pa rin. Ibarra. Bakala. No good. Malas. Nice one by TV. Naglalangan si LCB. Lumilipad si Batang Piwi. Bakala. Lost the ball. One more time. Ito na. Giga. Nagmamadali. Ibarra. Sinipat ang bola. Pasok ang bola. Ayan na. 3 points si Ibarra. Sinipat ng Ibarra ang bola. Ayan na. Ang birador. Gumagana na. RD1. Loremia. Piwi pa. Traveling violation called. Nice D by Ancheta. Sino muna? Bakala pinagpahinga muna para ihanda sa fourth quarter action. Giga against the run. RG1 against Giga. Ibarra. Pamintuan. Ibarra humingi ng bola. Giga. Maling pinasahan. Touch pass. 2 points. Johnny Banawag 2 points. 59-42 ang score. Giga. Binababa ang bola. Maninang. Binato lang bola. Hop! Foul.
Jersey number 13.
Giga called for the foul.
Substitution.
Okay, okay. Back to the ball game tayo. Yes, syempre, second team po na po yan. Okay, Mr. Hans Peewee. Foul again by Giga. Back-to-back fouls committed by Mr. Giga.
Foul against number 13. Second team foul.
Oh, oy! Traveling violation. Nice hustle play by Giga.
Substitution.
Nice hustle play by Giga. Okay, palabas muna si Maninang para kay Campo.
Giga Lermo.
Pamintuan for 3. Malakas. Ill-advised shot. $59-42. Lamang na 17 ang JG. Johnny. No good. Nice by 11. Hans Cangedo. Hans 11. Pops up. Wala. Rebound battle won by Giga. Foul. Cangedo penalty situation. 2 shots given para kay Mr. Giga.
Who's foul? Number 8, Canelo.
Hans Cangedo called for a foul. Giga 2 shots given.
Second personal foul, Canelo.
Giga per shot. Wala. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo.
Second throw, wide. Giga.
Init ah. Pasok.
Passing down.
59-43.
Substitution.
Laman po ng 16 still ang Team JG. 1 minute 33 remaining. Third quarter action.
Ulit po ang Canelo.
Hans. Nako ng pick. Pop sa party 1. No good. Rebound by Giga. Giga, minababli bola. Giga. Walang pinasahan pero top away by JG. Ayes ang French ball po tayo. And now JG upguarding. Ibarra kick out pass kay Giga. Giga for 3. Now kapos. Ayun! Nice one by De Campo. Peewee. Foul! Blocking foul called. That's Anchieta. Anchieta, sorry. Peewee.
54 seconds. And to shoot.
Nice guard! Nakum! Malakas ang pasa. Malakas ang pressure. Baba na konti lang. Baba nga natin ng konti ang pressure. Masalang malakas eh. Peewee. Foul! Ouch!
Jersey number
And Campo.
Jersey number 4.
po called for a foul. 2 shots given kay Mr. Peewee. Wala pa kayo mga pasok. Buti pa kayo. Maraming salamat po. Next shot. Ayan, balaro. Second throw ni Peewee. It's no good. Rebound by Ibarra. Ibarra naka-rebound.
15 seconds.
Nice shot by Ibarra. Nice foul bait also. Ibarra, 3 shots given. Fouled in the act of shooting po yan. Chance again for Ayesha to crawl back. Ibarra, first shot. Pasok. Second shot Ibarra. Ibarra, second shot. Hans Cañedo, 2 points. Wala na! Grabe! Okay, back to the movie. 5 to 10 minutes na po tayo. Final 10 minutes coming up po sa ating larong ito. Huling 10 minuto. Bola po ng puti. Puti po ang bola, puti. Ari ko. Bakala for the inbound. Stalwart po yung nagdangja ng DJ Jana. Ibarra. Pamintuan. Ayun. Tapos. Pardo. Pesarillo. De La Cruz. 2 points. Perimeter jumping ni De La Cruz. Pasok. Tapos. Out of bounds. Balik ko sa green ng bola. 9 minutes 24 remaining. $17-point lead ang kalabanan ng JG. RD1. Hoy! Traveling violation. Traveling violation, sabi ng referee. Mabilis, namamata ng referee. Check ball. Number 1 again, RD1. Mario 2 points. Kamintuan. Bakala. Docampo. Palpal. Out. Pero may foul. What a hard foul called. Who's foul rep? Who's foul rep? Number 6, Velasco called for the foul. First personal pala ni Velasco. First team pala ng JG. Second personal pala ni Velasco. First shot, Di Campo, pasok. Second shot, jumpers ready. Lamang buli po na 18 po ang team JG. Second shot, pasok. 17. Still a 17-point lead, still being made by JG. 8 minutes, 8 remaining. Velasco, perimeter shot, no good. Aaron De La Cruz, nakuha yung bola. Aaron. Velasco. Hoy! Traveling violation, sabi ng referee. Traveling violation, sabi po ng referee. Pops up. No good. Wala pa rin. Tap away. Palpal. Down. Blocking foul called. Side throw inbound. Oh, grabe. Ayun. Docampo, palpal. One more time. Ayun, may number 1. Pasok kay Manuel. Manuel, 2 points. 2 points, Manuel. No good. Bakala, no good. Manuel, 2 points. Foul! Duty foul, ginawa ni Nolo Campo. Aaron De La Cruz, first shot, no good. Second shot, jumpers ready. Lamang na 13 ang team JG. Pops up. Rebound by Giga. Two points. Ancheta, 2 points. Pesarillo. Velasco, 2 points, Velasco, 2 points. No good. Dapat titinasa yun. Two points, Mardo. That's ill-advised pass from Velasco, from si Pantangini, Ibarra. Offensive foul called. Ibarra called for offensive foul. Manuel, illegal screen. Remia. Walang pinasahan. Coming to number 3. Damn! Yan ang kinakailangan. Fifth, 70, 58, 12 lang po ang JG. Loremia, bukot. Traveling violation, sabi ni Loremia. Traveling violation kay Loremia. Pamituan. Floater shot, 2 points. 10 na po kalamangan ng JG. Ito na naman ang rally ng Ayesha. Wow! Malakas! Velasco! Wala pa rin! Dalawa! Velasco. Loremia for 3. Wala. De La Cruz. Nice shot by De La Cruz. Pamintuan again. Foul. Foul. Who's foul rep? Who's foul rep? Giga. Kapos. 3 minutes 55 remaining. Top board, no good. Dugo sila left and one pasana. Foul on Bacala.
Number 77, Bacala.
Bacala called for a foul. Bacala 4 personal fouls, 1 for graduate. Velasco, shooting for 2. Piwil, pasok muna. Pajardo, 40 minutes. Velasco, first shot, no good. Second shot, jumpers ready.
Second throw, Velasco.
Second shot, Velasco, jumpers ready. It's in. Nope, it's out. Bacala, 4 personal foul, nursing. Bacala. Hoy! Loremia. 2 points, Loremia. Ibarra. No good. Pardo. Pesrillo Rara, 2 points. Again, back-to-back free throws na by Pampkamantuan. Daman na 13 muli ang team JG. White ball. Dumulas. Boss. Sir. Sir. Ito. Diba?
May white. Dapat din ang bola.
Yeah.
Kita mo yung bola.
Ay, pusa. Okay. Ate.
Nahulog.
Sorry. Pasensya ka. Ha! When you go to ceremony, I guess you can get it up.
Boxing ready. Session of
2 minutes 32 remaining. Laban na 13 ang Team JG. Pamintuan again. Bang! Back-to-back field goals na being made by Pamintuan. Labang na 11. Trapping na ang JG, ang Janas. Foul. Pinaul na lang. Magkibigin naman yun. Walang problema.
On this number 5, Dilion.
De Leon called for the foul. Shooting foul po yan. Velasco shooting for 2. Velasco shooting for 2. It's pasok. What a sharp. Napaka-sharp, grabe.
Basket again.
Basket mates, back-to-back baskets made. Bakala. Pamintuan again! Bang! Don't look now, 10 na lang siya. Trapping, nagtatrap na po ang Ayesha. Pesarillo. Piwi, bang! One play kay Piwi. What a hang time ginawa ni Piwi. Hang time.
Remaining time 1 minute and 51 seconds.
A minute and 51 remaining. Piwi, bonus free throw. It's out. Again, Pamintuan for 3. Tapos. Pangalan, foul called. Who's foul rep? Hi, ma'am.
Ball is number 25.
Jersey number 25, Pee-wee called for a foul. Bakala per shot. It's in. Second shot, jumpers ready. Umiinit na si Pamintuan. Pero enough ba yan? No good. Rebound battle won by Janas Gourmet, De La Cruz, Pesarillo, Loremia, Velasco. I think they shot to milk the clock now. Pamintuan. Again, Loremia. No good. Pero nandun pa rin siya. It's good. And it's time at Koba Ayesha. Ha!
Remaining time 1 minute and 18 seconds.
So ito pala no, yung namesake ng Jana. Kaya pala.
Back to the building. 1 minute and 18 seconds.
A minute and 18 remaining, fourth quarter action. Labang buli po ng 14 ang JG. Ang Janas Gimebot, third team po pa lang po sila.
And to shoot.
Stepping violation. Ouch! Masakit yun. Masakit yun, mga... Aray ko, madjakit yun, madjakit. Loremia, I think safety basket na lang tayo dito. Boy! Trap! Technical foul. Exclamation point po sa yun. Baby, technical foul. Huwag kasing lambitin ang net, ang ring. Baka masira tapos ka naligan na ison. Pamintuan, basket made. I think that's safety basket na lang yan. Safety basket na lang yan, tansya ko. Wala na yan, Safety lang po tayo, safety na lang. Okay. Pamintuan again. Pamintuan. Driving is strong. 2 points, Pamintuan.
45 seconds.
Di pinaul. Foul.
Ball goes to number 8.
Rivera call for a foul. Nice game. First penalty situation, Ayesh and friends. Loremia. Loremia, first shot, pasok. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Basket made both. Ibarra, no good still. Okay, that's it, I think so. Okay, Ayesha na conceded already. First win, taken by, of course, alam po natin yan, JG. Team JG, panalo po sila. First win taken by JG already. Maraming salamat po ako sa RBG Vlogs with you. And again, also see you again po next week. Muli po tayo for another basketball action sa ating paboritong liga po na lahat, PSBQ Basketball League. Maraming salamat po and God bless po sa inyo. We'll just continue na para sa ating sa post game festivities po, like interviews po, and many more. Thank you very much po. And again po, see you po again po. Next week po muli po tayo for our basketball action. Ito po ang PSBQ Basketball League. Maraming salamat sa inyo and first win po by Janice Gourmet. Tuyo, congratulations po. Loremia, idol, PB, thank you very much po. And Loremia, okay, yan po yan po ang kanilang Loremia and Velasco. Sila po ang best players of the game, Loremia and Velasco. Loremia, mami na. And Velasco. Loremia, Velasco. Oy, liga rito. Dito ka lang, diyan ka lang. Loremia, Velasco, Toko, and Bibispo. Sige mo, sir, how do you put first game po nyo po sa Janice Gourmet pero nagpasikilap kagad kayo? Loremia, yung consistent plays mo, consistent shots mo, pumapasok pa rin para. Of course, to block party, tsaka of course, yung hustle niya, yung kayong burst po, nandiyan pa rin talaga, inabang po namin, sir. Loremia, any word po, sir? Sige po.
Salamat sa team namin.
Okay.
Ayun, nagkasama-sama lang kami ngayong araw na to. Pero maganda pa rin pinakita ng bawat isa. Team effort lang para manalo. Yun lang.
And Velasco?
Salamat sa team. Effort lang ng dahil kay ma'am. Direct.
Pero sir, napansin nyo po parang nabubuhay sila pero pag in any sense parang nagrarally sila. parang naano kagad yun. Parang naamoy yung parang biglang parang pinipigil yung kagad.
Sipag lang sa depensa. Mabalik.
Of course, pati yung sigol ni coach din, nagmamatter talaga doon.
Kasi mahirap pag nahabol.
Oy, mahirap talaga. Lalo pag uminit yung team mo si Paminton, di uminit siya ng huli, di ba?
Hindi ka lang, mahabol na yun.
Galing run sila.
Yun na nga, later. Okay, sir, sige. 30 seconds, shoutout, and of course, yung 30 shoutout. Sige, sir, larayin niya. Shoutout, sige po.
Sa family ko, at sa Team Janas, sa Barangay Marsakit, sa Tropa KM, sa unang FPBR Qatar, and sa PSB ko na sumusuporta. Maraming salamat.
And of course, ito po, si Mr. Velasco, yung kanilang tapal king, tsaka hari ng rebound. Sige po.
Shoutout sa family ko, sa team, sa mga manager nila po.
Sige, with it po, ito po ang Team Janas Gourmet. Maraming salamat po. See you po again next time. Okay, ito po yan po. Ito po ang winning team po yan. And of course, next time, winning po tayo. Next time, same place, same channel. Maraming salamat po. Congratulations po, Team Janas Gourmet.